Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm sorry if my hair's like messy. I had braid and I just put my hair into a ponytail, and that's cool. And I'm gonna be making my own squishy tag, and I'm pretty excited. And this is for the people that have squishies, but they have like 4 squishies or like less, cause I have 4 squishies. One was supposed to come, but I got refunded. It didn't come. It got stuck in transit. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, so let's get on with the video. The first question is, what's your most colorful squishy? I think. Yeah. Okay. And my most colorful squishy is this peach. By the way, I might get another squishy package. Might. So there it is. And I don't have like a really colorful squishy. I only have like, oh my god, I'm sorry. I don't really have like a colorful squishy, but this is a close to colorful. It has more colors than any other ones. So yeah. The next one is, what's your most defective squishy? And mine is this bread toast. Here it is. It looks good, but then you can see that crack right there if you can. Right there. And then it has some around the eyes. You guys can, and there you go. But it's actually really slow rising. What's your most fiction squishy? And that is like fake, like not even close to real. And mine is this panda bun. It's medium, size medium. Doesn't have tag, it just came with this. And this one's pretty defected and not as low rising. But it's, it's cool. And this is actually the face I wanted. If you guys seen my not silly squishies, my squishy video, here it is. You can see that? It has like scars. And then my baby cousin, he dirtied it. Right there. He was eating something and then that happened. So I'm like, no! Okay, so anyways, here it is. The next one is my most stained, like got something on my shirt. My most stained squishy, and it is this squishy, and I hate to bring it up again, like I don't want to keep on using it, but I have a little bit of squishies, so yeah. I'm sorry if I keep on looking that way. So anyways, I'm sorry if that bothers you. So anyways, I don't know why I'm looking that way. So here it is. Like, oh yeah. Anyways, here are the stains. It has like no polish on it, right there. This one, that one, and right here. This one too, though. This one, I can't find the stain. It's right here. You can see that. Okay, now which one's my most realistic squishy? And it is this strawberry. It kind of looks like a tomato. That's, in my opinion, it came with this strap thing. Here it is. What's your most favorite squishy? And I honestly don't know, but the one like I've been dreaming about is this one. And I really wanted this face, so this is actually my, okay, forget which one's your favorite squishy. This is pick your dream squishy. So this is the dream squishy. But now I have another dream squishy. I just can't get it. I need like money. That's why I said I might get a squishy package. Okay, and that is all for my video. These are my 4 squishies. Let's give them a big squish. Anyways, have a good day. Goodbye. Please subscribe. Please like. Please comment if you would like. Bye.